Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I still think this is very likely at 1, 2, 3. I still think that we're very likely now in a wave 4, which will probably end up making at least 3 waves down to probably the 38% before it does end up going back up and making a wave 5. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we do have a break to the downside. So I do think that this is like impulsive down, corrective up, should lead to another impulsive down. Kind of almost looks like this is actually still maybe even a wave A, and it might even end up stretching out like that. Like this would be the A, this would be the B, and then eventually go down for the wave C. All part of a wave 4, I believe. So taking it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, nice big impulsive down. I believe it's a wave A. To me, it still looks like an A. It still looks like a B and a C. It looks like it should end up continuing down. But based on the weekly time frame, I would think that this is a wave C. But based on the weekly time frame, it might actually just keep on going down for like a 1, 2, 3 of wave A. Most likely, probably a wave A of wave 4. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like impulsive down. It definitely looks like 3 waves up. We're sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement. We have CPI inflation data coming out today, and if this does end up continuing down, it's most likely going to be a wave C, but it possibly could even stretch out into a wave 3, like I was explaining on the daily. I think it's more likely a wave C, like this is an A, this is all an ABC of B. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we got the CPI inflation data coming out today. We already got a little bit of a break of structure down right here. We already got at least 5 waves up right here. So it definitely looks like it's about ready for a big move to the downside. We got a Fibonacci level. We got a big news event coming out today. If this does make a nice impulsive move down, I would definitely try to get short because that's going to be a pretty big move to the downside if it's a wave C. If it's a wave 3, then it's going to be a really big move that you potentially can hold on to for a big swing trade. But even if it is a wave C, it'll probably last several days and probably produce several hundred pips to the downside. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.